Hello friends! Today we're reviewing one of the most advanced crypto exchanges, OKX. It's trusted by traders from over 180 countries, and no wonder. The platform combines convenience, functionality, and a high level of security. In this video, I'll show you how to register and complete KYC, how to fund your account and start trading, how to use copy trading, staking, and participate in new token launches. And the best part, a bonus of up to 6,000 USDT for new users with promo code CP6969. If you want to trade on a modern exchange with low fees and a wide range of tools, watch until the end. Your like and subscription are appreciated, and all useful links are in the description. OKX is one of the largest and most technologically advanced cryptocurrency exchanges, operating since 2017. Today, millions of traders around the world trust it, and by spot and futures trading volume, the platform consistently ranks among the global leaders. The company is registered in Hong Kong and adheres to international standards of transparency and security. Regular reserve audits and published proof of reserves make OKX one of the most reliable platforms on the market. OKX tools: spot trading with high liquidity, futures and derivatives with flexible leverage, margin trading, copy trading, earn and staking, jumpstart for participating in new token sales, trading bots, NFT marketplace, mobile app, and professional terminal. OKX is praised for its fast engine, user-friendly interface, and high level of security. The exchange is constantly evolving, adding new features, and remains a universal platform for both beginners and professionals. For experienced traders, OKX Pro is available, a terminal with advanced charts, deep order book, and sophisticated order types. The system withstands heavy loads even during sharp market moves, making it a reliable tool for active and high-frequency trading. Getting started with the OKX exchange is very simple. The process takes just a couple of minutes. Click the link in the description under the video. This is our official partner link with promo code CP6969, which activates a bonus of up to 6,000 USDT for new users. On the page that opens, enter your email or phone number, create a strong password, and select your country of residence. Confirm agreement with the terms and click Create Account. Check your email or SMS. You'll receive a confirmation code. Enter it on the OKX website. Once your account is activated, you can immediately log into your dashboard, and if you wish, install the OKX mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Before you start trading, make sure to configure your security settings. This is an important step to protect your funds. And don't forget to check the description. All useful links and materials are collected there. The first thing you should do after registering on OKX is secure your account, even if someone learns your password. Without the one-time code, they won't be able to log in. Go to your dashboard, profile, security, two-factor authentication. Decide where protection is needed, login, withdrawals, or settings changes. Install Google Authenticator on your phone. Scan the QR code on the site and enter the 6-digit code. Save the backup key. This is your spare key in case you lose your phone. Now your account is under reliable armor. Without the code, no one can withdraw funds or log in. OKX is an international level exchange, and to gain full access to all features, you need to complete KYC. Think of it as getting a VIP pass. Once verified, you unlock fiat deposits and withdrawals, higher limits, participation in Jumpstart, and access to all earn products. How to pass KYC? In your dashboard, go to Profile, Verification. Select your country of residence. Choose a document, passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document and take a selfie. The system will automatically check the data, add your residential address, and submit the application. The review usually takes from a few minutes to an hour. Once approved, the status verified will appear, and all platform features will become available. By the way, at the bottom of the video, you'll find a selection of the best exchanges, wallets, and services with bonuses. After registration and verification, you can move on to the most exciting part: funding your account. OKX offers several convenient deposit methods: cryptocurrency, P2P, and online exchangers. All options are safe and suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Method 1. Deposit with cryptocurrency. Perfect for those who already have coins in a wallet or on another exchange. In your dashboard, go to Assets, Deposit. Select the coin, for example, USDT or BTC. Choose the transfer network, TRC20, ERC20, Arbitrum, or another. Copy the address provided by the system. Go to your wallet or another exchange and send funds to this address. Important: always check that the sending network matches the deposit network. A mismatch can lead to irreversible loss of funds. Method 2. Deposit via P2P. Ideal for buying USDT with local currency directly from a bank card. In the top menu, select Buy Crypto, P2P Trading. Choose your currency and payment method. Find a seller with a high rating and reviews. Enter the amount and create the order. Transfer payment to the seller. Click Confirm Payment. After the payment is verified, the coins are automatically credited to your OKX balance. Method 3. Deposit via exchanger. Useful if direct fiat methods are unavailable. Follow the exchanger link in the video description. In the left column, select your bank or payment system. In the right column, choose the coin you want to receive. For example, USDT TRC20. Enter the amount and paste your OKX deposit address. Make the payment and wait for confirmation. Within a few minutes, the funds will arrive in your account and you can start trading. So, you have 3 simple and reliable ways to fund your account. Choose the one that suits you best. On OKX, withdrawing funds is just as easy as depositing. The process is completely mirrored. You can withdraw both cryptocurrency and fiat via P2P or exchangers. Trading on OKX. The exchange offers 2 main modes: spot trading, classic buying and selling of cryptocurrency; futures, leveraged contracts for more experienced traders. The platform interface is intuitive, so both beginners and professionals can easily get started. Spot trading. This is the simplest and most straightforward way to trade, buying or selling cryptocurrency at the current price or at a price you set yourself. How to trade on spot. In the top menu, select Trade, Spot. Find the trading pair you need, for example, BTC USDT. On the right panel, choose the order type, Market. The trade is executed instantly at the current price. Limit, you set your own buy or sell price. Enter the amount or number of coins. Click buy or sell. Once the order is executed, the asset immediately appears in your spot balance. Spot trading is the perfect starting point for beginners and a convenient tool for those who want to hold assets without using leverage. Futures are a tool that allows you to profit both from rising and falling market. Unlike spot, here you trade contracts rather than the coins themselves. You can choose leverage, set margin, and manage risks with stop orders, making futures a flexible solution for more experienced traders. Key features of OKX futures: support for perpetual and quarterly contracts. Interface simple enough for beginners, yet flexible and powerful for professionals. Deep liquidity. Trades execute quickly, with minimal slippage even during high volatility. The platform withstands heavy loads and ensures precise entries, crucial for active traders. How to open a futures position. In the top menu, select Trade Futures. Find the contract you need, for example, BTC USDT. The terminal opens with chart, order book, and control panel. Set leverage. From 1 to 100. Beginners should start small. 2 to 5. Choose trade direction, long if you expect the price to rise, short if you expect the price to fall. Select order type, market. Open at the current price. Limit, open at your chosen price. Enter the trade amount. Set stop loss and take profit to control risks. Click open position. Futures on OKX are a powerful tool for those who want to use leverage and manage their strategy with flexibility. Margin types. Cross margin. The overall balance is used for all open positions. If one trade goes into a loss, the system automatically uses available funds from other positions. Best suited for experienced traders, more flexibility, but also higher overall risk. Isolated margin. Funds are tied to a specific position. If the trade goes into a loss, only the allocated money is used. A safer option for beginners. Risk is limited and easy to control. Position management. In the lower panel of the terminal, you'll see active trades, P&L, profit loss, liquidation price, order history. You can close a position fully or partially, adjust stop orders, stop loss, take profit. And if you want to learn how to invest and trade in simple terms, join our Telegram channel. Link is under the video. Copy trading is a tool that allows you to automatically replicate the trades of professional traders. It's a great solution for those who want to participate in the market but don't want to spend time on independent analysis. How to connect. In the top menu, select Trade, Copy Trading. You'll see a list of traders with data such as ROI, return on investment, risk level, number of followers, active trades, trading history. Choose a trader and click follow. Specify the amount you want to allocate. Confirm the connection. From then on, all trades of the chosen trader will be automatically mirrored in your account. OKX allows you to set maximum trade amount, loss limits, cap on open positions, auto stop when a limit is reached. You can stop copying or close trades manually at any time. Professional traders earn a percentage of their followers' profits, motivating them to trade carefully and deliver stable results. The OKX Web3 wallet is a product that sets the exchange apart from competitors. Unlike most centralized platforms, OKX develops a full Web3 ecosystem, giving users access not only to trading but to all major DeFi directions. Features: fully non-custodial. Keys are stored by the owner, meaning only you control your assets. Supported networks: Ethereum, BNB Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, Solana, and dozens more. Capabilities of Web3 wallet: connect to DeFi protocols, participate in farming and staking, swap tokens via a DEX aggregator, use a multi-chain bridge, manage NFTs, interact with dApps without MetaMask or other extensions. This approach makes OKX a unique platform that combines classic CEX infrastructure with a full Web3 hub in one application. It's especially convenient for those who want to grow in two directions at once: trading and decentralized finance. OKX offers one of the most advanced sets of trading bots among crypto exchanges. This tool helps automate strategies and allows you to trade even without constant market monitoring. Available bots: Spot Grid Bot for sideways market trading, Futures Grid Bot, DCA Bot, dollar cost averaging, Recurring Buy Bot, arbitrage strategies, ready-made templates from top traders. The bots are built directly into the platform, require no additional software, and automatically adapt to market conditions. OKX provides profitability statistics for each strategy, allowing you to choose the most effective options, test your own ideas, use bots for passive capital management. Trading bots on OKX are a convenient tool for both beginners and professionals, making trading more stable and less dependent on constant market presence. The Earn section is where your coins start working for you. Even if you don't trade every day, your assets can generate stable income. Earn features: staking, lock your coins and harvest rewards; flexible staking, withdraw anytime; fixed staking, coins remain locked longer, but yield is higher; savings, a crypto deposit with daily interest; funds remain accessible while generating income every day; dual investment, earn regardless of market direction, like playing with two winning scenarios; Jumpstart, early access to new tokens; participate in promising projects at launch price. The more you stake, the more you receive. Many tokens show strong growth after listing, making Jumpstart a popular way to enter early. How to start. In the menu, select Earn. Choose a product: staking, savings, or another. Select the coin and term. Enter the amount and click Subscribe. Rewards are credited automatically, usually daily. Track everything in assets. Earn is your way to turn cryptocurrency into a source of passive income. Even if you don't trade daily, your assets keep working. And if you want to dive deeper, join our private referral chat. There we explain everything in simple terms and share experience. Link is under the video. The OKX app is a full crypto terminal in your pocket. It fully mirrors the web version: registration, deposits, trading, copy trading, earn, and asset management, all in one convenient interface. All actions are synchronized with the web version. Open a trade on your smartphone, see it on your computer. This lets you switch freely between devices while keeping your account under control. The app runs fast and stable, making it the perfect tool for daily trading and account management right from your smartphone. OKX rightfully ranks among the most reliable crypto exchanges thanks to its strict protection system and transparent operations. Cold storage of assets. The majority of funds are kept in offline wallets isolated from the network. Proof of reserves. The exchange regularly confirms full backing of user assets. Data encryption. All information is transmitted and stored in encrypted form. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, secures login, withdrawals, and account settings. Activity notifications help you spot suspicious actions in time. OKX complies with international security standards and uses an architecture that ensures reliable protection of both funds and accounts. Bonuses and referral program. OKX knows how to reward its users. Newcomers can receive up to 6,000 USDT in bonuses when registering with promo code CP6969. The amount depends on deposit size, trading volume, and participation in promotions. Anyone can become an ambassador. In the section More, referral program, you'll find your unique link, share it, and earn a percentage of the commissions from friends you invite. The platform regularly hosts promotions, giveaways, and bonus campaigns. Check the promotions section to stay updated on the latest offers. OKX is more than just an exchange. It's a whole ecosystem combining speed and convenience in advanced trading tools, high-level security, and transparency through proof of reserves. Here you'll find everything: spot and futures trading, copy trading, earn and staking, jumpstart, trading bots, 24/7 support. OKX keeps evolving, adding new features, and remains one of the most technologically advanced and reliable platforms in the world. If you're looking for a place to trade, invest, and earn safely, OKX will be your launchpad into the crypto world. Follow the link in the description, register with promo code CP6969, activate your bonuses, and begin your journey today.